2 plus 3 will give us 5, and 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. So let's start with factorization method. Let's solve question on factorization method. Question 1, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation and we will be solving using the factorization method. So the first thing is to multiply the coefficient of x with the constant term, which is 6. So 6 is the constant term and the coefficient of x is 1. You can see that invisible 1 is here. This is the coefficient of x. So the next thing to do is to look for number that if we add together, we are going to get 5 here, and if we multiply together, we are going to get 6. So which number can we add together and we'll get 5, and if we multiply together, we are going to get 6. The value is 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 will give us 5, and 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6. Right? So let's equate it here. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. I hope that is clear. I hope you understand. I hope you understood that. 3 plus 2 will give us 5, and 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. So the next thing is to factorize x into bracket x plus 3 close brackets. So we already factorized this part. X multiplied by x will give us x squared. X multiplied by 3 will also give us 3x plus 2. So let's factorize this part. 2 into bracket x plus 3, because 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6 equals 0. So to be sure that you are getting it correctly, you need to check the value in the brackets, in the two brackets, whether they are the same. Once they are the same, that means you are correct. So you can see we have x plus 3 and we also have x plus 3 here, which means I am correct. So we now pick one of the two values. So we are going to pick x plus 3, open bracket, close bracket, x plus 2, x plus 2 equals 0. So let's broad it. X plus 3, to open the bracket, x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Is that clear? So x plus 3 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. To get our value of x, to get our x, let's take plus 3 to the right hand side. We will also do that for plus 2. We'll take it to the right hand side to make x the subject of the formula. So x equals 0 minus 3, or x equals 0 minus 2. So x equals 0 minus 3 would give us minus 3, or x equals 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2. So x equals minus 3 or minus 2, which is the correct answer. So let's move here to solve another question on factorization. Let's move to solve another quadratic question using factorization method. Two x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals 0. So here we need to make sure our x is unity. When I say x is unity, I mean the coefficient of x should be 1. The coefficient of x should be 1. So what are we going to do to make this coefficient of x to be 1? We divide through by 2. But if you want to divide 2 by 2 and you cannot see common term there, just don't divide. If it's possible to avoid dividing it, you can avoid it. You can what? You can avoid it. So if we divide through by 2, we are still going to get our values. So divided by 2, divide through by 2, divide through by 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. We now have our x squared plus 2 divided by 6 will give us 3x plus 2 divided by 4 will give us 2 equals anything divided by 0 will give us 0. So our x is now unity. How do we know that it's unity? Because the coefficient of x now is 1. So let's solve. What are we going to add together as we did the other time here? What are we going to sum up together that will give us 3? And if we multiply, we are going to get 2. Which value? The value is 2 and 1. If you add 2 plus 1 will give us 3. And if you multiply 2 multiplied by 1, it will give us 2. So you can see that we can continue. So x squared plus 2x plus x. Don't say plus 1x. No. It is plus x because this x, the coefficient of x is already 1. So there's no need of adding another 1 here. So 2x plus x will still give us 3x plus 2 equals 0. So let's factorize x into bracket x, x multiplied by x will give us x squared plus we add 2. There's no need of adding 2x because x multiplied by 2 will still give us 2x. With this plus into bracket 1 plus 1 into bracket x plus 2 equals 0. I will explain now. How do we get 1? I know most of you will be asking how do we get 1. We put 1 there so we can use it to multiply through. 1 multiplied by x will give us x. 1 multiplied by 2 will also give us 2. Simple as A, B, C. So you can see that our value is the same. X plus 2 is the same with x plus 2, which means we are correct. I hope you are solving it. So let's pick one of the value in the bracket. X plus 2, open bracket, close bracket, x plus 1. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's broad it. X plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 1 equals 0. X equals, let's take plus 2 to the other side. So we now have x equals 0 minus 2 or x equals 0 minus 1. So x equals 0 minus 2 will give us minus 2 or 0 minus 1 will give us minus 1. So our answer is x equals minus 2 or minus 1. So with this, we are done with factorization method.